back to your channel. What I have here right now, I would consider would be a life changer for everyone in terms of security, in terms of reliability, in terms of peace of mind. Back March, I think it was the second week, Osaka, Japan. And what happened was we're on our way back here in the province because we came from the airport. Everyone was tired and I was driving. So at EDSA Manila, all of the cars are pretty congested. So regardless if you're going fast, if you're going slow, if you're stuck in the traffic, everyone is literally congested. So to make things simpler and to cut down the story, we came to a situation where we weren't expecting. An SUV on the left side of our car just drove past by us and was able to hit the side mirror. The good thing is we didn't incur that much damage as compared to their vehicle, because there was a really deep scratch. We had our old reliable dash cam, however it's really ineffective when it comes to night mode, so we decided to upgrade it just recently. So we just received this today. This is the Xiaomi smart dash camera. It went on 2,999 pesos down to 1,499. So when it comes to portability, if you really want to invest on something that would really secure your vehicle, regardless, any accidents along the road is really unpredictable. You would know. You can be the safest driver in the entire universe, but if there's really someone who's going to those 1, 2, 3 seconds would really change something in your life, and they can easily turn things around in terms of whose fault was it, who did it first. You were in the wrong side of the road, you were not looking, you were on the blind spot. Any of those reasons can save you. So here's the unboxing of the Xiaomi Cam. So there's a logo, and it's a simple box. However, if we're going to look at the back of it, it looks elegant because the paper looks like the box looks like a hard paper where Xiaomi devices are also being used. Top of it, it's a dash cam. So you still have the sticker on it, and I'm going to lay this down now. I also have there you go. This one you stick it. There's a USB cable. It's a Xiaomi USB Gen 1 cable, and this is the car port wherein you put in the lighter or portable one. So whatever you put in for the USB like ones, this is what you put in. So there. So on the description, it supports 1080p and 720p, which is only 30 frames per second. The field of view of a normal action camera is really 140 to 150 degrees. So that is the really wide angle. If you're using a smart camera which has a 4 or 3 lens camera system, one of those lens is supporting a wide angle feature or a wide angle lens. So this is the wide angle lens one. So the video compression is H.264, so the bit rate is quite big when you save it on your phone. Oh, by the way, I'll go when it comes to the app installation, it's really quick, it's really simple because you can use the QR code and install the app. It has a Wi-Fi connectivity, so there won't be any issues with it. It can support up to 64 gigabytes of RAM. 64 gigabyte micro SD. I'm sorry, and I'm using the 32 gigabyte micro SD, which is now installed here. So there, it has a 2.7 inch TFT LCD screen, and I'm not sure if there's a built-in battery for this one. However, it doesn't say. Anyway, let's go ahead and try to turn it on. Okay, I was able to find a cable wherein it supports the... Oh, it's a micro USB one. Okay, so we can use the cable, which is what's included with it. Let's see if this works. Now, okay, there you go. Now it's live. So there, the camera. Oh, okay, camera's using. Okay, if you can see from my side, and that's how it goes, the field of view. So it's really pretty. It's really clear. By the way, what I like about this one is it works very efficiently at night because it has a night mode with it. So that's quite useful. So there. Oh, by the way, it loops every 3 minutes. So basically, whatever happens in a 3-minute increment time, whenever it loops, that's how and when it records it. So that's pretty useful. So device is turning off now. I'll upload some videos of our trip once we test it tomorrow morning. For now, that's it. Thank you so much.
Bibili ka lechon mo? Lechon.